Let's review function notation. Function notation is written in terms of p of x is equal to 2x squared plus 3x minus 7. P is the name of the function. I named it p because it's a polynomial. And this function is in terms of the variable x. So the only variable we see in the problem is x. To evaluate a function at -3, we would write p parenthesis -3. That means that everywhere there was an x, we'll put a -3 in the problem. And then we'll simplify this result. So -3 squared is 9. And then -3 times +3 is -9, and the minus 7. 2 times 9 is 18, subtract 9 and subtract 7 is 2. Let's try that again with a new function g, and functions can be given any name you want. This function is x squared plus 1. So I'm going to put this -4 where the x used to be, and still square it and add 1. -4 squared is 16 plus 1, which is 17. If you're doing this in your calculator, it's extremely important to use the parentheses when you replace the variable with the number. G of 5. That means I want to evaluate that function that used to have an x in it and put a 5 in it. 5 squared is 25 plus 1 is 26. Now I could give you more than just a number. I could give you anything that I want you to put in that function. So I'm going to put in the x minus 3, and that's what's getting squared, and then I'm going to add 1. Well, remember, you don't ever want to distribute exponents. So we'll write this twice, x minus 3 times x minus 3. And then we'll add 1. Multiplying this out, we'll get x squared minus 6x plus 9, and then we're going to add 1 more to that. So our final answer is x squared minus 6x plus 10.